When it comes to choosing the right windows for your Silver Spring home, there's much more to consider than just style and curb appeal. Windows play a crucial role in the comfort, energy efficiency, and overall aesthetic of your living space. Whether you're building a new home, renovating, or simply replacing old windows, selecting the right type of window can make a world of difference in both the look and functionality of your home. Here's a guide to help you choose the best windows for your Silver Spring property. Consider the climate and energy efficiency. Silver Spring, Maryland, experiences a variety of weather conditions throughout the year, from hot and humid summers to cold, snowy winters. With this in mind, it's important to choose windows that offer excellent insulation and energy efficiency. Energy-efficient windows will help keep your home comfortable all year round by reducing the amount of heat that enters or escapes. Look for windows with a high energy performance rating, such as those labeled with the Energy Star seal. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, which can lower your heating and cooling costs and reduce your home's carbon footprint. In addition, consider windows with double or triple glazing, which offer superior insulation compared to single-pane windows. Low emissivity, low E, coatings on glass can also help to block harmful UV rays while allowing natural light into your home. Select the right window style. The style of window you choose will have a significant impact on the look of your home. Each style comes with its unique advantages, and it's important to match the style to both the architecture of your home and your functional needs. Here are some popular window styles in Silver Spring. Double-hung windows. These classic windows are easy to maintain and allow for ventilation from both the top and bottom sashes. They're ideal for areas where you want to maximize airflow without compromising on safety. Casement windows. Hinged on one side, these windows open outward, providing excellent ventilation. They're great for hard-to-reach areas, such as above kitchen sinks, and they tend to offer better energy efficiency due to their tight seal when closed. Awning windows. These windows open outward from the bottom, making them perfect for letting in fresh air while keeping out rain. They work well in areas that need ventilation even during bad weather. Bay or bow windows. These larger window styles protrude from the wall, creating a dramatic look and providing panoramic views. They're a great choice if you're looking to enhance the architectural appeal of your home. Picture windows. These large, fixed windows offer unobstructed views and abundant natural light, making them a popular choice for living rooms and other spaces that benefit from a view. Prioritize durability and maintenance. The durability of your windows is crucial, especially in a climate like Silver Springs, where temperature fluctuations and occasional storms can put stress on your home's exterior. Opt for materials that are built to withstand the elements and require minimal maintenance. Vinyl windows. Vinyl is a highly durable and low-maintenance material. It doesn't need to be painted and is resistant to warping, cracking, and fading. Vinyl windows are also energy efficient, making them an excellent choice for Silver Spring homeowners. Wood windows. Wood windows offer timeless beauty and a traditional aesthetic. However, they require more maintenance than other materials. Wood windows need to be regularly sealed or painted to prevent weather damage. If you love the look of wood but don't want the upkeep, consider a composite or fiberglass window that mimics the appearance of wood but with less maintenance. Fiberglass windows. Fiberglass windows are durable, energy efficient, and resistant to the elements. They're a great option for homeowners looking for a balance of performance and aesthetics. They're low maintenance and can be painted to match your home's color scheme. Budget and long-term value. Your budget will naturally play a significant role in the window selection process. While high-quality windows may come with a higher upfront cost, they often provide long-term savings in energy efficiency and reduced maintenance costs. Investing in energy-efficient windows will help you save money on heating and cooling bills over time, so consider them as part of the bigger picture. Additionally, well-chosen windows can enhance your home's value, making them a worthwhile investment if you plan to sell in the future. Work with a professional installer. Choosing the right windows is only half the battle. The installation process is just as important in ensuring your windows function as they should. Working with a professional window installation company can ensure that your windows are installed correctly and sealed tightly to maximize energy efficiency and performance. In Silver Spring, you'll find experienced window contractors who can help you select the best windows based on your needs and install them with precision. Conclusion. Choosing the right windows for your Silver Spring home requires a balance of aesthetic preferences, energy efficiency, and long-term durability. By considering the climate, window styles, materials, and professional installation, you can make an informed decision that will enhance the comfort, beauty, and value of your home for years to come.